The Earth you know is not the Earth you think. Did you know there's a mountain taller than Everest, but most of it is hidden underwater? Or that the Sahara Desert, now a scorching sea of sand, was once filled with lakes and roaming hippos? Our planet is full of secrets that will leave you stunned, and today we're unlocking them all. Hey there, welcome to Brainvo, where we explore the amazing, the mysterious, and the fascinating facts about our world. If you love discovering new things, make sure to subscribe and join our community of curious minds. Now, let's dive into the wonders of geography.
Our planet is full of mysteries, extremes, and wonders that most of us never get to think about in daily life. Geography isn't just about maps or memorizing countries, it's the story of Earth itself. Every mountain, desert, ocean, and city carries secrets that can completely change the way you see the world. Take Mount Everest, for example. Everyone knows it as the tallest mountain above sea level, rising nearly 9 kilometers into the sky. But here's the twist: if you measure from its base at the bottom of the ocean, Mauna Kea in Hawaii is actually taller. Hidden beneath the waves, it shows us how geography has more than one way of telling the truth. Rivers tell their own powerful stories. The Amazon in South America moves so much water that it pours more into the ocean than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Imagine this: in less than a week, it could fill the entire Grand Canyon. Yet, the Nile River, winding through deserts and ancient civilizations, stretches even farther, making it the longest river on Earth. Together, they prove that size and power can be measured in many different ways. Then there's the Sahara, a name that instantly makes you think of endless sand and scorching heat. But did you know that thousands of years ago, this vast desert was covered in grasslands, dotted with lakes and rivers? Ancient cave paintings even show hippos and giraffes roaming where there is now only sand. Geography teaches us that Earth is always changing. What is desert today may once have been paradise. Now, dive beneath the oceans, and the scale becomes even more breathtaking. The Pacific Ocean is so vast that it covers more area than all the continents combined. And hidden in its depths lies the Mariana Trench, plunging almost 11 kilometers straight down, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Down there, in the crushing darkness, strange creatures live that scientists are only beginning to discover. A reminder that much of Earth is still unexplored. Not all geography is about size and scale. Sometimes it's about uniqueness. Iceland is a land of opposites, where fire and ice exist side by side. Volcanoes bubble with molten lava while glaciers sit silently, carving the land. And far off in the Indian Ocean, Madagascar stands as a world of its own. Separated for millions of years, it became home to plants and animals that don't exist anywhere else on Earth. One island, countless secrets. Human geography adds another layer to the story. Consider Istanbul, the only city on Earth that stands on 2 continents, Europe and Asia. Or Tokyo, which has grown into the largest metropolitan area in the world, home to more than 37 million people. At the other extreme, there's Vatican City, a country so small it could fit inside many neighborhoods, yet it holds centuries of history and culture. And then there are the skies. In the northern regions of our world, the aurora borealis, the northern lights, dance in waves of green and purple across the night. A breathtaking natural light show created by particles from the sun colliding with Earth's magnetic field. Meanwhile, at the bottom of the world, Antarctica holds nearly 60% of all the fresh water on Earth, locked away in its icy glaciers. If it ever melted, sea levels would rise dramatically, reshaping every coastline we know. Even lakes can surprise you. Lake Baikal in Siberia is the oldest and deepest lake in the world, holding 1/5 of Earth's unfrozen fresh water. By contrast, the Dead Sea between Israel and Jordan is so salty that you can float without even trying. Each body of water has its own character, its own story to tell. Geography also explains some fascinating extremes. Did you know there's a place in Ethiopia called the Danakil Depression, where daytime temperatures often climb above 50 degrees Celsius? It's one of the hottest places on Earth, yet life still survives there. And on the other end, in Antarctica, temperatures can plunge to minus 80 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze steel. Even time itself is shaped by geography. In Russia, you can stand in one country but experience 11 different time zones. And there's a tiny island in the Pacific called Kiribati that's the very first place to see the sunrise every day, while somewhere else, people are still living in yesterday. All of these places, from deserts that once bloomed, to cities that never sleep, to oceans hiding mysterious worlds, they remind us that Earth isn't just where we live. It's alive, constantly changing, and filled with wonders beyond imagination. So the next time you look at a globe or glance at a map, don't just see lines, countries, and borders. See the hidden stories, the mountains still rising, the rivers carving their paths, and the people shaping their own corners of the planet. Geography is more than knowledge, it's a window into the soul of Earth.
If you enjoyed this journey into the wonders of our planet, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure. Share this with a friend who loves geography, and together, let's keep exploring the amazing world we live in.